This is Yash. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
I love your tattoos. How are you? I'm gonna sing it to you if you don't. Excuse. Oh, that's very special.
Yeah. Okay, Yash. So, how was today?
Today was fantastic. So I'm Yash, I'm an engineer, I'm 26. I feel like I isolate myself and I'm not socially expressive enough. I feel like I would be a bother to people. I'm not good enough. Maybe they won't like me, or maybe they would think that I'm bothering them or I'm harassing them. I'm anxious about approaching people in the first place. I feel like once I get over that, everything will be fine, but I'm really nervous about that. Yeah, excited about maybe growing as a person today a bit.
Okay, cool. Any last words before we start?
No, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Hi there. Hi, you're really beautiful. I wanted to say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can I sit here? Are you busy?
I am working.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No worries.
I didn't mean to disturb you.
No
I just
worries.
wanted to compliment you.
Thank you
Take
so
care.
much. That's so sweet.
She's busy right now, but maybe you can, hang out another time and so just go back and go for it.
Shit. Okay. I'm sorry again. Can we get drinks sometime? I know you're busy now, but I would love to have coffee sometime.
That's so sweet, but I actually have a boyfriend.
You do?
Yes.
Okay. Take
Thank
care.
you.
That was so much easier than I thought it would be. I didn't get anything, but yeah.
Is it the first time that you do that?
That was first time in my life, yeah. I felt like I shouldn't have asked her if she's busy or something, rather just sat down and started talking.
Yeah, you should always reach for what you want, But then also remember that you're talking to people, right? You're talking to human beings. She's working at lunchtime. If it was your friend, wouldn't you want to know which kind of mental state they're in? I realize that they're people, right? And you should be able to relate to them on an emotional level.
It's not a big deal what happens, what happened, what will happen. It really doesn't matter that much. And it's all fun and I needed to know that and feel that. Hey. You're really beautiful. You're really beautiful. What do you think of this salad place? I have a friend who thinks it's so sterile. I love the salad place, but he's like...
I mean, it's good for lunch.
What are you up to?
Lunch. I'm working downtown, so...
Oh, really?
Yeah. What about you?
I am just, waiting for a friend to show up. Did you see the guy who was just undressing? What was that? I was afraid he was gonna remove his pants and I was waiting for him to do that, but he didn't.
I was worried.
I was excited. What about you? What do you work as?
I'm a real estate attorney.
A real estate attorney? That is fascinating. I'm just kidding. I'm an engineer, so yeah. I can't make fun of people's jobs,
Yeah.
you know?
How long do you live in Austin?
I just came to Austin 8 months ago. I love this city so much. It's so laid back and nice and beautiful. I love it. My favorite is just Pete's Dueling Bar. I just love the performers so much. Always pay them a bunch of money to play my songs, to play some Elton John song I love.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm always asking them to play your song. You know that song from Elton? Your song?
I don't know, I probably do.
I'm gonna sing it to you if you don't.
Don't sing it. I can look it up.
Do you want to hang out sometime maybe? I would love to grab coffee.
I can grab coffee with you downtown.
Yeah. Would you?
I can just give you my card.
Awesome. That was so much better than my first interaction. This time I didn't think about getting something. I just talked and listened.
So, quick feedback. You said, do you want to hang out? Okay. Imagine we're friends, okay, and tonight we're going to eat, right? And let's say you really want to eat sushi. Are you going to say, do you want to eat sushi, or are you going to say, let's go eat sushi?
Yeah, I would just say that we are eating
You
sushi.
know, there's too much doubt, you know. And the thing is that doubt is then reflected. Like if you have a friend who's like, do you maybe want to eat sushi tonight? You're going to be much more inclined to say no than if he's like, bro, I know this amazing sushi place, we have to go. Then obviously you're going to be more excited about it, right?
I can't believe this is going so well. Like, I thought I would be your worst subscriber ever, and this would be famous for being the most awkward video ever.
The day's not over, huh?
I don't think this is reality. I don't know what's going on. This is not supposed to happen.
This is a dream, Yash.
Yeah, it is. What are you doing here? That. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. I was gonna say that cup is so big. It's so like it doesn't fit you. Yeah, it should fit me.
No, it's fine.
No, you're so tiny. It doesn't fit you. Anyway, you're really beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
How's your day going?
Great, thank you. How are you?
Good.
Yeah, nice. What are you up to?
I am just meeting a friend, grabbing a drink with them.
Wait, you've got the drink
This
here?
is the drink, and yeah, the
Okay.
friend is still on the way.
Oh, I see. Nice.
I love your dress.
Thank you. It's like 2 cents from Goodwill.
I can't believe it. Looks designer.
Oh God, no.
It does.
No.
It's really good.
Thank you. Are you okay? You're just gonna walk away from your friend?
Oh no, I'm meeting him at the
I see.
hotel
I thought
down
you were
there.
like, oh, whatever.
No, but I had to say something to you after seeing you.
About seeing how big this is? Yeah.
That was just an
I'm gonna
excuse.
devour it.
It really is something. I have to just watch you devour it.
Nope. It's my little fledgling child. Oh, well, thank you so much. I'm going that way.
Oh, see you.
Yeah.
Do you want to hang out, maybe grab coffee sometime? I would love to.
I've got a long-term boyfriend. I think that it would.
The good ones are always taken.
Yeah, but it was lovely to meet you.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
That was really good. She was really polite and nice, and we had a good conversation. No, like you said, I was kind of very present and very just in the moment, and it went well. So that was pretty crazy, just randomly running up to someone and starting a conversation. It's just people, and they're so nice. Why are they not being rude to me? What surprised me really was that how nice people were, and regardless of how they looked like and what happened, they were really nice to me. And I love your tattoos. They're so beautiful. How's your day going? Good?
I actually got up early for once.
Got up early?
Yeah, because I work in the night, so I wake up like at 3. But today I woke up at 9.
Oh, that's good. I was like 3 p.m. You are like, I thought I was a late riser because I wake up at like 11. Oh, what do you do that you have to work at night? That's.
So yeah, I work like 8 to like 3 in the morning.
Do you know those tricks?
Right?
Those tricks that bartenders do?
No, I can flip the little
The
shaker.
shaker?
You know, that's about it.
You don't play with fire and stuff?
No, I want to. Are you happy with the day?
Oh yeah. Just waiting for a friend to show up. I wanna get tattoos too. I find them so cool. I'm always nervous about getting it. I'm like, am I gonna regret it?
Yeah. You know, a lot of people do. I have a lot of friends who are tattooed and they're like, I don't like it. And it happens.
It does.
Yeah. So it's like, it sucks because I feel like when you get a tattoo, it's like you're at a phase in your life and then you grow out of it and then you're like,
But then you can still appreciate that face for what it is, right?
that's what I like.
I have to go too, but I really like you. Do you want to grab coffee sometime or something? You
I would
do?
love to grab coffee, but I have to wait.
Well, we can still grab coffee as friends.
That would be nice.
Well, let me take your number.
What's your name, by the way?
Yash. Oh, what's your name? Nice to meet you. Well, you're gonna help me get tattoos now.
Yeah. I'll go with you. I'll support you.
Yes, please. Take care. See you.
Miss you.
How was that?
I didn't know I was a player. I'm just kidding. That was so good. Again, she was so nice. We had such a good conversation. We had a great interaction, and yeah, she had a boyfriend, but I loved it, and maybe we'll hang out again.
You still say, do you want to grab coffee sometimes? You still talk about it like
I know.
you're yourself not sure, you know? You don't seem very excited, you know?
Usually I would not even try to talk because I would be like, she's never gonna go out with me, so I might talk to someone less beautiful.
You realize that beautiful people are people too.
Yes. I love him so much. He's so adorable. Oh, and the jacket too. It's so good. You look really cute in that outfit though.
I think. Yeah, we match.
How's your day going?
Good, good. How's yours?
I love the sunglasses too.
Thanks.
Adorable.
Thanks.
What is that? I've never seen that.
This?
No, this.
Oh, this is the leash. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah, it's a retractable one. So it's nice.
My God, I'm the only one in this park without a dog.
Yeah,
just waiting.
this is like the dog place.
Is it? I don't know. This is Zilker, right? I'm new to Austin.
yeah. This is well, Zilker actually this is called like Auditorium Shores, and then Zilker, I mean, it connects. If you keep going that way.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, because everyone has a dog.
Yeah. You should get a dog if you live in Austin now. I have two. I mean, that one's mine too.
Oh,
Yeah.
you left him all alone? Just
Yeah.
This is the favorite child?
Right now, she just jumped in the water. So.
Oh, she's being punished now.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, adorable.
Thanks. Yeah.
Can't I just steal one? What are they gonna do with two of them?
I know. Yeah. Well, welcome to Austin.
Thank you. It was a decent interaction. I kind of chickened out and didn't end up actually asking her out or asking her number. Yeah, just had a conversation and then got out.
You talked a lot about the dog, I feel like.
As a crutch, yeah.
Okay, so Yash is basically afraid of this blonde girl.
I am very scared. What's interesting about that tree? What's interesting about the tree?
When I used to live in Austin, I used to always come and sit in this tree.
This tree?
This tree, exactly.
Oh, that's very special.
Yeah. So that's why I was staring at the tree.
Is it the same tree?
Yes, it's this tree. So I used to live here for a couple of years, and every day I would come and sit up in this tree.
You can climb this tree?
Yeah, right. It's very easy to climb like that, and then just so we sit up there.
It is so not easy. I can't do
You
that.
could try, yeah. If you're wearing the right shoes, maybe.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
It's very impressive.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to
Have a
meet you.
good
You're really beautiful.
Thank you.
Go. Do you wanna? I don't know. Get a coffee or something?
My boyfriend we've just been traveling a few months together in Central America, and I just came to Austin for a week, and then I will leave again. Yeah.
Oh, but good luck. Yeah, have fun in Austin while you're there.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
I didn't get anywhere, but the fact that I did it makes me feel very good about myself.
Yeah, because you were.
Because she was intimidating to me. I always expect them to be really mean. The better looking they are, the more mean I think they would be. But it's not the case. Oh no, I'm just happy
For what?
for overcoming my anxiety and fears and doing something about it. So it makes you feel really good to actually do something that's uncomfortable and go out and approach people and talk to people. And it really makes you grow as a person and gives you a better perspective on things and on people, and just makes you more confident, I think. Hi there. Hi there. Hey. Oh.
And you got the bad reaction you were looking for.
Finally! We can't end the day without that. So happy about the rejection
Okay.
because it's not that big of a deal and I needed to feel that.
Be like you didn't really believe what you were doing, you know? When you try to catch someone's attention, it should be as like incisive as if, you know, she was like dropping her wallet. You would have been like, hey, excuse me, you know? Because they dropped the wallet, you know, you or yourself have this really strong narrative that you can stop them. And so, you know, when you're gonna say, excuse me, you're really gonna mean it, right? But I feel like here, the way you said hi, I feel like you were a bit. I feel like you were not really there, you know.
Yeah, I agree.
Well, for the first time in the history of social email, we're gonna end the rejection. But you know,
Just
Yash
for me.
was waiting for it the whole
Yeah.
day, so
Yeah.
I feel like that's you know, that means the day is over. Do you have anything to tell to people who are watching this video?
I would say that everyone should go out and do this, what we did today, regardless of whether they film it, whether they do it with Ruben or not. They should just go out and try doing it by themselves if they want to, and they'll be really surprised and really happy that they did it.
Any last word?
No, just thanks to you for doing this with me.
Thank you, Yash. Have a great day.